Hi everyone, my name is Zahra Doğan and today in this presentation I'm going to talk a little bit about Industry 4.0. So first thing first, what is Industry 4.0? Well, it's a term often used to refer to the developmental process in the management of manufacturing and chain production. And the term also refers to the fourth industrial revolution. Before digging too much deeper into the Industry 4.0, it is good to first understand, it is good to know how exactly manufacturing has evolved since 1800s. Okay, there are four distinct industrial revolutions that the world either has experienced or continues to experience it today. The first industrial revolution happened between the late 1700s and 1800s. During this period of time, manufacturing evolved from focusing on manual labor performed by people and aided by work animals to a more optimized form of labor performed by people through the use of water and steam-powered engines. And in the early part of 20th century, the world entered a second industrial revolution with the introduction of steel and use of electricity in factories. And it was during this phase that mass production concepts like the assembly lines were introduced as a way to boost productivity. And the third industrial revolution is started in the late 1950s. Third industrial revolution slowly began to emerge as manufacturers began incorporating more electronic technology into their factories. During this period, manufacturers began experiencing a shift that put less emphasis on analog and mechanical technology and more on digital technology, automation, software. Well, now the most important thing is the definition of fourth industrial revolution and how it is different from the third one. The fourth industrial revolution takes the automation of manufacturing process to a new level by introducing customized and flexible mass production technologies. This means that machines will operate independently or cooperate with humans in creating a customer-oriented production field that constantly works on maintaining itself. The machine rather becomes an independent entity that is able to collect data, analyze it, and also advise upon it. So now the question is, how will machines communicate? The rapid change in the information and communication technologies have broken the boundaries between virtual reality and the real world. We all know about it. The idea behind Industry 4.0 is to create a social network where machines can communicate with each other, and it is called the Internet of Things. So now what are the components of Industry 4.0? Industry 4.0 is an abstract and complex term consisting of many components when looking closely into our society and current digital trends. To understand how extensive these components are, here are some contributing digital technologies as examples. Like we can say Internet of Things, multi-agent systems, integration, big data, and advanced algorithms, and simulation, cybersecurity, cloud computing, and we can also say 3D printing. But mainly, we can summarize them into four major components defining the term Industry 4.0. And these are the cyber physical systems and the Internet of Things and the Internet of Services, and lastly, the smart factories. So now, what are the advantages of Industry 4.0? as it is a technology, so we can give so many examples of what are the advantages of Industry 4.0, but here in this presentation I just summarize them into 3 parts. So the first one is optimization, and the second is customization, and lastly pushing research. And what are the disadvantages of Industry 4.0? So of course security and privacy and capital and also employment. And now here there is a good good sentence, and it says we cannot wait until there are massive dislocations in our society to prepare for the fourth industrial revolution. So we should catch it, we should go for it. And yes, this is all what I wanted to say about Industry 4.0. Thanks for your time, and thanks for listening to me.